Howdy, y'all. It's Kathy from Rust Paper Scissors, and I'm here today to do a quick flip through of these 3 mini Halloween journals that I've made. I'm always inspired by Tracy Fox's collaboration, Creep on June, and it makes me want to get out my Halloween items and get busy. So I made these 3 miniature journals, and they're a lot of fun. They're basically blank journals. Each one is basically the same. I'll talk about the first one, but I'll flip through all of them quickly. They were a small composition book that I took apart and used the cover. The cover is approximately 2.5. I think it's 4 by 2.5, but if you add all the extra things that stick out, it's about 4 by 5. So it's just a quick little book. It's something you could stick in your purse. You could put into another journal. You could also just have it on your coffee table. So I just have it closed with a little string closure. And we'll move these out of the way and just do this one. I call this one Beware, and it just has a little subway art there about Halloween. And then each of the journals has a velvet ribbon bookmark, and this one, the charm is a little moon, and then it's also on the side of the journal. There's, like I say, there's about 20 pages, but most of them are blank, so we'll flip through them pretty quickly. This is a little chalkboard sign that I made from the Dollar Tree, and then just a little stamp, vintage map. This is some kind of vintage seismic paper that somebody gifted me, a digital print, and then that's a little stamp, that a sticker that I made. And then that was just a piece of ephemera that I got in a kit. This is just a little, like a tarot card, a little journaling card. This is the center of the signature. I left this blank so you could embellish it how you liked. And then in this one I have just some tickets. This is just, oh, that's a little Google sticker that I made it. And then this is just a journaling spot or a digital print. Again, the matte paper. This is a little digital print that I made a tag out of. And that's the back. So that's the first one. Like I say, these are listed in my Etsy shop. And then the next one we'll do is Hocus Pocus. And it's basically the same, so I'm going to go very quickly. This one has a little charm of the little star and circle. And that's what those are. And then this one has a couple of little tags. This one has a little "I'd turn back if I were you" homage to the Wizard of Oz. And then it's just a little ghoul sticker that I made. This is the center of the signature, and I covered it with a couple of digital prints. And then this is just some more items in the little pocket. I'll do that later. A couple of little digital prints, pumpkin patch and the apple, just homage to fall. And then again, another little witch tag that I made. Okay. And then the last one is what I call Halloween. And it has little heart charms on the bookmark, and then on the edge, this one has just another little moon charm. Got a little witch inventory. Another little ghoul. A trick-or-treater. It's very blank. This is the center of the signature, and then inside again is just a couple of little tags and items. And the back says poison apple, and then that's just a little trick-or-treater, little witch. And here's the All Hallows Eve. And then the back is just plain. So that's the three little journals. They will be for sale in my shop. And I do appreciate your time. I would appreciate any comments or questions. Thank you very much.